I greet you all and welcome you to the Manifested e-learning platform. We continue with the subject marketing and communication. The topic is customer relations. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss the benefits of customer satisfaction. And in any competitive business environment, customer satisfaction is a primary engine of business sustainability. When a customer's experience meets or exceeds their expectations, it creates a halo effect that protects the business from market volatility and aggressive competitors. So there are so many benefits of maintaining high customer satisfaction. The first obvious benefit is that it increases customer loyalty and retention. It leads to increased customer loyalty and retention. When customers are satisfied, they become loyal customers and they are easy to retain. Satisfied customers are far less likely to shop around. They don't have time to go looking for another supplier. They develop a psychological bond with your brand because you have proven you can meet their needs reliably. It is much cheaper to keep, and we also say it's much cheaper to keep a satisfied customer than sourcing for a new one. It is much cheaper to keep a happy customer than to spend money on aggressive marketing to replace one who is unhappy. So high satisfaction creates a barrier. Even if a competitor offers a slightly lower price, the customer will often stay because they value the peace of mind that you provide. So it leads to increased customer loyalty. The next benefit is that customer satisfaction is a powerful word of mouth marketing. Powerful word of mouth marketing. When a happy customer talks to friends or colleagues about your product positively, they are more likely to believe that happy customer than your adverts on television or billboards. Recommendations from friends, from family are more influential than any billboard or radio advertisement. And a satisfied customer becomes a walking advertisement, because in the digital age, that translates to positive Google reviews. It translates to positive mentions in WhatsApp groups and organic shoutouts on TikTok or Instagram. A powerful word of mouth marketing, customer satisfaction. People also trust peer reviews 90% more than they trust corporate advertisements. You understand? Yes. The third benefit of customer satisfaction is lower sensitivity to price. Lower sensitivity to price, lower sensitivity to price increases. When you have satisfied customers and you increase the price of your products, the customers may not switch to competitors because of the increase of the price. When customers are highly satisfied with the value and service they receive, they become less price sensitive. And the benefit is that if you need to raise prices due to inflation or due to increase in, say, VAT, satisfied customers are more likely to stay with you because they believe your quality justifies the cost. And they aren't just buying a product, they are buying the experience. So customer satisfaction lowers sensitivity to price increases. Four, customer satisfaction can also lower marketing, and operational costs. Lowers marketing and operational costs. In a competitive environment, recommendations from friends and even because of satisfaction that they may have in a product can lower costs in a big way, because happy customers refer others and your cost per acquisition drops significantly. The cost of acquiring a new customer reduces because you did not spend any money. You have free ambassadors. Satisfied customers becomes your free ambassadors. Another point here is that satisfied customers reduces the complaints. You have fewer complaints. High satisfaction means fewer hours spent by your team handling angry calls, processing returns, fixing mistakes, and so on. And that allows your staff to focus on growth rather than firefighting. It lowers marketing and operational costs. Your staff will not spend much time dealing with dissatisfied customers or complaints. You understand? Yes. Then the fifth benefit of customer satisfaction is higher customer lifetime value. Leads to higher customer lifestyle value. Leads to higher customer lifetime value. Satisfied customers tend to buy more often and are more open to cross-selling. Cross-selling means buying related products, and also upselling which means buying premium versions. For example, a customer satisfied with their basic internet package from a company like, say, Safaricom, is much more likely to add a TV subscription or a smart home security feature from the same company. Higher customer lifetime value. That is yet another reason or benefit of customer satisfaction. So these are 5 benefits of customer satisfaction. Increases customer loyalty and retention, number 1. Number 2 is a powerful word of mouth marketing tool. Number 3, it lowers sensitivity to price increases, lowers marketing and operational costs, and lastly, it leads to higher customer lifetime value. These are 5 benefits of customer satisfaction. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.